This is Erike Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you the old spark plug and the new spark plug. How the old spark plug or the sports spark plug will affect your engine performance. How you want the engine to speed up when you press the accelerator, or to open to you when you want to speed up or to do overtaking. Your spark plug can be a cause. See the old spark plug. So now I'm here to show you the difference between the old spark plug and the new spark plug. That you can see the new spark plug right here. You can see, let me show you the tips of it. You see the electrode inside of the new spark plug, and then the tip of the new spark plug, the space between them is close, so this one can give you good spark and to burn the mixture. You can see them, it's close, so it give you good spark to burn the fuel and air mixture inside the combustion chamber. So now you can see the old spark plug, the electrode has been short, and then the tips have been worn out, so the space between them, the gap between them is large, so this one can't bend your fuel and mixture well, so you get bad performance of your engine because of your spark plug. The spark plug can't perform well. Now you see the brownish of your spark plug. Now it leak. This one is the leakage of the spark. That's why the power that is supposed to ignite is leaking. Rather, instead of you help the spark plug to ignite the fire, it's leaking. So the performance of the engine will come down, and then the engine will not pull.